Hey, this is Mr. Mola with the 2.1 puzzle time. Joke for today is, what does a cricket like to do at recess? Normally we only do about half of them, but this one's a really short one. It's only 8, so let's look at all of them. So a number x is less than or equal to 4. So let's just write these out and see if we can match it. So a number x is less than or equal to 4. And it looks like that matches up with letter E. A number k is decreased by 11. So that means we have the number k, and then it is decreased by 11, and then that is greater than 3, which looks like letter O. 16 is less than a number r divided by 8. That was nice. It just said the words, didn't do anything tricky. All right, switch colors here. 12 is no more than. Okay, so 12, and now we got to think about, so no more than. Think about what that means. It's going to be less than or equal to the difference of t and 5, which looks like letter J there. Okay. 5 gets kind of tricky. It says 7 times the sum. So since it says times the sum, we know we got an adding problem. And then that ends up being less than 22. So it looks like we're looking at letter R there. And then here we got to plug it in and see if it is a solution or not. Let's just plug it in. So negative 8 plus 6 is negative 2. Negative 2 less than negative 2. That is not true. Not going to work. Here, they think n is 14. So 32. And then 14 times negative 4 is a negative 56. Minus 15. So then I got 32 is less than or equal to negative 71. That's definitely not true. 32 is not less than a negative number. So another no there. Here we got 4 times m divided by 5 minus 2 is greater than 3. 4 times 10 is 40. Divided by 5 minus 2 is greater than 3. And 40 divided by 5 is 8. So 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 is greater than 3. So that one's going to be a yes. So what does a cricket like to do at recess? If we look at all those numbers and put them in here for the appropriate number, it looks like a cricket likes to jump rope. Good thing they're good at jumping.